I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Primitives, and I'm going to give you an introduction to the CTR family of punch needles today. I will show you the different needles and how to adjust the punching depth and how to thread it. Let's get started. When you first get your CTR needle, it will come with the needle, and a threader, and a tube to store it in, and a little tube to protect the tip of the needle. The CTR needles are all metal, and they have this little silver indicator here which shows which is the front of the needle, so you know which direction to punch. Now, this is a 1-strand. It also comes in a 3-strand needle, which is red and looks the same size, and a 6-strand needle, which is black, also the same size. And they also have a 3-strand green, which is longer and wider around. This one is the same width as a pencil, so you can fit a pencil gripper strip over it. Okay, if you want to adjust the punching depth, you can take one of these depth adjusters off, or both of them. Or you can also, they cut pretty easy with scissors. If you want to change and make more adjustments, you can change it. And when I'm not using them, I just store it on a safety pin so I don't lose it. Now you'll notice the green one, which is the fatter one, has less of a punching depth option than the red one does. So if you know you're going to want to be punching with a really deep, you might want to go with the red one here and just add a pencil gripper if you want. The blue one, 1-strand, also has less, but it's 1-strand. You're probably not going to want to punch as deep. And the 6-strand has the longest punching depth. So to thread the needle, the threader has one end has a loop in it, and the other end that doesn't have a loop. So you're going to put the end with the loop through the tube like that, and come out the other end, and you take your thread and put it through the loop, and pull that through the tube. And then you can keep that on there and take this end, the other end of the threader, through the eye of the needle, and it's threaded and ready to go. Now you're ready to get started punching with your CTR needles. I'll see you next time. Bye.